Just in time here. What up, stoners? So you guys are trying to figure out what the new laws are going to be in Washington State regarding marijuana usage and distribution. Well, you came to the right place because I just happen to live in Washington State. So I've just been reading up today. I'm in the Olympian, which is the paper out of Olympia, the capital of Washington State, and they've kind of been given a rundown as far as what the licensing and the rules for retail locations and things like that are going to be. So if you're planning on making your summer trips and your vacation plans already to head up to Seattle, well, I'll go ahead and let you know. A lot of things are still being worked out. Officially, December 6th, it's no longer a crime to possess marijuana in Seattle. As far as the licenses to sell it, to distribute it, to manufacture it, that's all still in the works. But I've got a feeling with the pressure and the potential for tourist revenue that they'll probably be decided pretty quickly, and maybe you'll see some licenses start going out as early as, January or February of next year, and hopefully we'll get some retail locations maybe by the summer. But anyways, I'm just let you guys know, of course, I'm not an attorney, I'm not a lawyer, I can't give legal advice, so don't go, doing anything or let this affect your behavior in any way, going out in public smoking bongs or something. As far as I know right now, they said the only thing that's guaranteed is that you will be completely legal to smoke it in the privacy of your own home. I think the rest of the details, we're still waiting to see. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and read you guys a couple of official regulations as far as the Department of Licensing and the Liquor Control Board. So this is what they say, and I'll let you guys go ahead and look at this nice picture while I tell you guys what's going on. So, licensing and fees. Licenses will be required for producers, for processors, and retailers. So basically there's going to be 3 different licenses you can get. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to own more than 1 license or if they're going to try to split that up to cut down on corruption and to increase their taxation, of course, and the more licenses they can sell, the better for the state. But anyway, so there's basically going to be a license to produce it and a license to sell it and then a license for the processing or a middleman, basically. All right, and then for taxes, I also want to let you guys know that they're saying right now that it's going to be $250 to apply for the license the first year, and then there's going to be a $1,000 renewal fee. So basically it'll be $250 to get into the business, and then $1,000 after that to maintain your license annually. Taxes, producers and processors plus retailers will pay 25% excise tax, plus retailers will pay any additional state and local sales taxes. So that is going to put taxes at least about 35–40% probably on it total. So retail outlets. Stores will only be authorized to sell marijuana products, paraphernalia such as bongs and pipes. So that means that they are basically going to restrict the sale of marijuana to head shops, basically. So places in the past where you've been able to buy bongs and what you used to have to call tobacco pipes or tobacco water pipes, now you can probably actually call them a bong when you go in there after December 6th. But anyways, those types of stores are going to be the only places that can sell and distribute marijuana. So you're not going to just be able to go down to 7-Eleven or your local corner store and pick it up. Possession. People can have an ounce of usable marijuana, 16 ounces of cannabis-infused product in solid form, or 72 ounces of cannabis-infused product in liquid form. And you can also have marijuana drug paraphernalia legally now in this state. So that's all the things you can possess at one time. But that's any given day, so you can always have that and then go down the next day and get another however much of what particular product you're looking for. Now the prices is kind of interesting. I'm not exactly sure how they figured this out, but this is from the State Office of Financial Management. So again, I'm just reporting what's already been reported. This is not a claim I'm making, but this is what the Office of Financial Management for the state of Washington says that the pricing of marijuana should be. So they estimate the price of $12 per gram, and that takes into account the excise taxes, but not sales tax. So that means you might pay $12 a gram, add your 10% or so sales tax, and that's going to take it up to probably $13.50, $14. So I'd say you're probably going to be looking at least 15%, and I don't know if this is really counting markup for the retail locations or what, but $15 a gram probably seems to be a reasonable amount you're probably going to be paying. And then it says the Liquor Control Board and Office of Financial Management will also determine the number of retail outlets and licenses per county based on population, security, and safety. So that's interesting, depending on what part of the states you live in, how densely populated it is, things like that is how they're going to be determining how many licenses they're going to give out to each locale and each county and things. So anyway, some fairly interesting news. I'm sure there'll be a lot of updates. If you guys have any specific questions, you can go ahead and ask me. I'll see if I can answer them or not. Otherwise, I'll keep doing updates as they become more available from local resources. And then hopefully, you guys will be able to come up this summer and have a great 4th of July. But anyways, I'm just in time. I'll talk to you guys later.